Hello children, welcome to your math class. Now today we will do one topic in the lesson, that is lesson 2, addition and subtraction of greater numbers. We have already done this chapter, but we will do one topic, that is word problems of addition. Okay, so we have in this video, ma'am will teach you in detail how to solve word problems with statements. Okay, and what you are going to learn, so children, you will be able to solve the word problems of addition. Okay, so now we'll start with our addition problems. Okay, so here ma'am has written one question, so we will read it together. Mark sells 97 vanilla shakes and 35 chocolate shakes. How many shakes does Mark sell in all? Okay, children. So, ma'am has read the question. So, here at last, it is given in all. So, whenever you know already, before also ma'am has explained, whenever these terms are there in the question, that is in all, total, altogether. So, in this case, we have to do addition. Okay, so again we have to find out the total shakes, okay, sold by Mark. So for finding out that total, we have to do, yes, addition. Okay, so now again I just want to repeat that now we will write statements also. Okay, so for write statements, first we will write the statement for those values which are already given in the question. Okay, so first, what is given in the question? The number of vanilla shakes sold by Mark. Okay, so number of vanilla shakes sold, how much? Yes, it is 97. Now second, what is given in the question? It is given number of chocolate shakes sold by Mark. Okay, so number of chocolate shakes sold, 35. So these values are already given in the question. Now what you have to find out? Now you have to find out the total shakes sold by Mark. Okay, so again for finding out total, we have to add. So now we will do, after writing statements in this way only, now we will do addition. Okay, so here 97 number of vanilla shakes, 35 number of chocolate shakes. Now we will add and we will find out the total number of shakes, okay, sold by Mark. Okay, now again you already know the rules of addition with regrouping. We have already done. We will follow the same rules. Okay, so first we will start with the digits given at ones place. So the digits are 7 and 5. So count 5 times after 7 for adding. So count along with ma'am. It is 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. So you are getting a 2-digit number. So this 2, so you are getting a 2-digit number. So this 2 is at ones place and this 1 is at tens place. So this 2, it will be written under ones place, and this 1, it will be given as carryover. Okay, at tens place. Okay, now again, now next step, we will add the digits given at tens place, and the digits are 9 and 3. So first we will add these digits. So again, you can follow the same method. You already know, so many times you have done. So count 3 times after 9. So it is 10, 11 and 12. Okay, and don't forget, remember children, don't forget to add the carryover. So we are getting 12 and 12 plus 1 is, yes, 13. So 13, this 3 is at tens place and this 1 is at hundreds place. So this 3, it will be written under tens place, and this 1, it will be written under hundreds place, because now you are not having any digit under hundreds place. So this 1 we will copy as it is under hundreds place. Okay, so now what is the total, what is the answer? It is 132. So children, Mark sold how many total shakes sold by Mark? So Mark sold 132 shakes. Okay, so this way we will write the statements. First we will read and understand the question, the problem. Then we will write the statements. First we will write the statements of those values which are already there. And then we will write the statement for the value which is to be which you are supposed to find in the question. Okay, and then we will add and we will find out the answer. And this is the final statement which ma'am has written. Now we will do one more question. So okay, now we will read the question. So Ria had collected 246 seashells. See the picture? These are seashells. You must have seen, okay, before also. So Ria had collected 246 seashells last summer. Okay. So this summer she collected 194 shells. So last year in the summer, she collected 246 seashells. Ria. And this year in summer, she collected 194 shells. Okay. So what is the total number of seashells she had collected? Again, the word total is there, so we'll add. Okay. So now we will write the statements. So first, what is given in the question? It is number. Sorry, here ma'am has missed to write off. Okay, so no problem. Ma'am has written right now. So it is number of shells collected. Okay, so how many shells were collected by Ria in last summer? It is 246, and number of shells collected this summer, it is 194. So these values are already given. Now what you have to find out? Now we will write that statement. So it is total number of shells collected by Ria. Again we will add and we will find out the answer. Okay. So now we have written both the values. Okay, now we will add. Again we will start with the ones place. The digits are 6 and 4. So again you can count 4 times after 6. It will be 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so we are getting a 2-digit number. So this 0 is at ones place and this 1 is at tens place. So the 0 will be written under ones place and this 1 it will be given as carryover at tens place. Now second step, we will add the digits given at tens place. Now 4 is there, you can count 9 times or you can count 4 times after 9. You can do both. Okay, so we will count 9 times after 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now what we are getting after adding? 13. Now 13 and 1 carryover, don't forget to add. So 13 plus 1 is 14. Now again we are getting a 2-digit number. So this 4 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place. So this 4 it will be written under tens place and this 1 it will be written under this 1 it will be given as carryover at hundreds place. Okay. So now we will add the digits given at hundreds place. Now these are 3-digit numbers. So 2 plus 1, yes, it is 3 and 3, 1 carryover, 3 plus 1, it is 4. Okay. So now what is the answer? 440. Okay, so now the final statement, we will write the final statement. It is Ria collected total 440 seashells in all. Okay, so how many total seashells she collected last summer and this summer? It is 440 seashells. Okay, so this way children you have to follow all the steps. Ma'am is repeating the steps again. First you have to read and understand the question carefully. Then you have to find out the keywords, whether in all or total or whatever is given, because in examination other problems will also be there, so you have to find out through these keywords only. Okay, second, you have to write the statements. First you will write the statements of those values which are already given, and then that statement, the statement of that value which you are supposed to find, sorry. Then we will add and we will find out our answer, then we will write the final statement. Okay, so I hope all the steps are clear to you all.